and it's just not working. So these are the penguins that was actually on that island. Penguins from Surf's Up. On March 16, 2011 at 4:30 a.m. there was an oil spill. And there was the oil spill that happened in 2011. Wound up killing a couple thousand of penguins. I'm not gonna lie. And to me, you know, it kind of seems strange or why this big ass boat full of oil hit this island that literally they could have missed. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't make any sense to me. So what was they trying to take out besides just the penguins? You know? That should say enough of, you know, this area alone stayed